so in this exercise, we're gonna be hitting the glutes. Get a lot of tension in the glutes just because, you know, we're actively sitting a lot during our day. So Andre's gonna be positioning himself where his right hand is on the roller for support. Left hand can be anywhere it wants to be that's comfortable. Shoulders are gonna be over top of the hips, but his weight's gonna be more on his right cheek or his right glute. He's gonna begin just gliding up and down. And here, we're just assessing the situation. We're just noticing where stuck stress is held. This is the type of stuff that we really can't stretch out of our bodies, so it's a manipulation of the fascia that we're looking for. So go ahead and locate the tender spot or the sweet spot in your glutes there, which is usually the center of your glute.
Yeah.
And then once he's located that, he's going to take his right leg and he's going to externally rotate and then bring it back up. And what that's doing is it's massaging and manipulating the fascia with the muscle, and it's creating a little bit of release. And predominantly, we're focusing on piriformis in most people's bodies. Good. And to advance that, we can go and externally rotate and cross this leg over this leg. Yep. And then what that's going to do is it's going to expose the piriformis a little bit more. This is obviously more advanced because you have to be a little bit more stable.
Yep.
And he's just going to glide back and forth. So if you can, you're going to keep your hand on the roller. If you need to, you can place your hand behind the roller for extra support. But you probably noticed this is a little bit more intense. And so that's your for piriformis release and for a glute stretch too.